Good morning, grade 10. Let's see problem set 3. Our first question from problem set 3 is choose the correct alternative answers for each of the following sub-questions. I have not written alternatives. We will directly solve and then see what are the alternatives. Now see, first question is the sequence -10, -6, -2, 2, dash, dash, dash is an AP. They have given for all the four options. Is an AP, reason is D is equal to -16, first option. Second, it is an AP, reason is D is equal to 4. It is an AP, reason D is equal to -4. And D option is it is not an AP. So three options say it is AP and D values are given -16 plus 4 -4. And fourth option it says it is not AP. So let us check what is the correct answer. Now first of all, to be an AP, the difference between two consecutive numbers should be same. So what is difference between these two? This is first term, this is second term. So to calculate the difference, T2 minus 2, T1 we will know. See, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3 and this is T4. Alright. Now what is T2 minus T1? T2 minus T1 will be -6 minus -10. Yes or no? So 6 minus -10 is what? -6 plus 10, which will be equal to +4. Difference is +4. Let us calculate between these two. Between these two, it is going to be, now I am calculating, so +4 we got first. Now for second, let us calculate T3 minus T2. What it will be? -2 minus -6. So it is -2 plus 6. Again it is equal to +4. Okay, and last see 2 minus -2. That is 2 minus is +2. So 2 plus 2 will be again +4. So it is an AP, no doubt, because difference between any two consecutive numbers, if you take, then it is constant and it is, difference is how much? Difference is +4. So what is the correct option? It is an AP, reason D is equal to 4. So I think this is the B option. B is the correct option. Alright. Four options are given A, B, C, D. Among that B is the correct option. Let's go to the second. First four terms of an AP are dash whose first term is -2. First term is -2 and common difference is also -2. 2 nahi -2. Okay. This is first term. So we have to find an AP. So first term is -2. Now difference is -2. That means difference between this and this is -2. So if this is T1 and this is T2, T2 minus T1 will be equal to common difference. Therefore, what is T2? We have to find out. Minus. What is T1? T1 is -2. Is equal to -2. Alright. So what we got? T2 minus into minus plus 2 will be equal to -2. So therefore, how much is T2? T2 will be this -2 over here and plus 2 transfer over there, -2. -2 minus 2 becomes -4. So second term will be -4. Are you understanding me? Okay. Now let us calculate third term. So what is third term? This is -4. Third term will be -4. To that we have to add common difference, that is -2. Okay, so add what it will be, -4 plus 2, sorry, plus into minus is -2, which is equal to -6. So third term will be -6. Now let us calculate fourth term. Again to this you add the common difference, -6 plus -2. So that will be -6 minus 2, which is equal to -8. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Let us check. So I think C option is correct, no? -2, -4, -6 and -8. So correct option is C. This is an required AP. Got it? So what you can do, first term you take and to that you continuously add the difference. So -2 plus -2 is 2 minus 2, you got 4. Oh, -4. Alright. So this is the required AP. Correct option is C. Sum of first 30 natural numbers as 30. 30 n will be 30. So S sum of all 30 natural number. Natural numbers means counting numbers. So they start with 1, 2 like this and so on. Endless. But we want to take only first 30. So last number will be 30. What is addition of first 30 numbers? It is as good as natural numbers. So S30 will be n by 2. This is the formula. We'll write Sn first. Okay. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S30 will be equal to 30 upon, so we get S30 is equal to 30 upon 2 into 2 into 1. Why 1? First term is a, that is 1 for natural numbers. Plus n is again 30 minus 1 into, what is difference between each term? First term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3. So there is one difference of 1 between all the terms. Alright, and therefore difference will be 1. So 30 upon 2 is 15, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into this one. 29 into 1 is 29, 29 plus 2 into 15. That is 15 into this addition becomes 31. If you multiply this, you get 465. So 465 is B option. So here for answer 3, B is the correct option. Alright. Now let's go to the fourth question. Fourth question says for a given AP, T7 is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 4 and A is equal to question mark. Now see T7, 7th term is given as 4. What is formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We know what is T7. T7 is 4. So for T7, I am writing here 4. Now A we have to find it as it is plus n minus 1. T7, so here will be 7 minus 1 into D. This is into D, put a bracket. Into D. D is how much? Minus 4. Now T7 is given as 4, so I am writing here 4. A plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 4. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. So 4 is equal to A minus 24. This 24 shifted over here. We get 4 plus 24 is equal to A. And therefore A will be equal to 28. 28 is, I think, D option given in your textbook. Okay. So D is the correct option. Now look at fifth question. For a given AP, A is equal to 3.5. So A, first term is 3.5. D is 0. D is given as 0. N is 101. N value is 101. Then Tn is equal to how much? Now see, what is formula? Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. But n value is given as 101. So T101 will be equal to A is given as 3.5 plus n is 101 minus 1 into 0. Now this bracket into whole bracket into 0, answer will be 0. There is no need to calculate this also. Okay, so this term automatically gets cancelled. And what remains? Only 3.5. Alright. So fifth answer is 3.5. I think it is B. So your correct option is B is the correct option. In fourth, D is the correct option. Have you understood? Okay. Let's go to next problem. 5 we have seen. Now look at the sixth question, students. In an AP, first two terms are minus 3, 4. Then 21st term is dash. This is an AP. So first is minus 3, second is 4 and so on. This is an AP. We have to find T21. Now see, first two terms are given. So we can find common difference as 4 minus minus 3. So 4 minus minus 3. This is second term and this is first term. So T2 minus T1. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. Now what is formula for Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. We want to find 21st term, T21. So A is already known to us, minus 3 plus n is 21. So 21 minus 1 into D we have calculated just now, that is 7. Now minus 3 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into 7. 20 into 7 is 140, minus 3 will be 137. So correct option is 137, that is C. Correct option is C. Okay, sixth. Now 7C. If for any AP D is equal to 5, then T18 minus T13 is equal to question mark. Very easy question. See now, difference is 5. And we have to find T18 minus T13. What is formula for Tn? It is A plus n minus 1 into D. First calculate T18. Wherever n is there, 18 will be there. So n minus 1 will be 17. So T18 will be A plus 18 minus 1 into 5. So that will be equal to 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 into 5. A plus 17 into 5. 17 into 5 is 85. So T18 what we got? A plus 85. Similarly calculate T13. You get A plus 13 minus 1 into 5. 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 into 5 will be 60. So T13 we got A plus 60. What we want? T18 minus T13. So T18 minus T13 will be, T18 is this. So A plus 85 minus T13 is A plus 60. Minus sign goes for both the terms. So you have A plus 85 minus A plus into minus is minus 60. Now plus A minus A will be 0. So A will be cut off. 85 minus 60 is 25. So 25 is the correct option. Seventh one, no? So here 25 is C option. So correct option is C. Is this clear, students? Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.